regular clays too because they came out with more clays. So yeah. So instead of just clear clays, we have other clays. I'm trying to find them because they're all the same box. But anyways, this one's like a pink like regular clay, I think, and I really want to try it. It was like maybe it's like Daiso, maybe it's more like Model Magic, or maybe it's like Delight. And also guys, my voice is gonna be a little raspy today because I was sick for a little bit. But anyways, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so first gonna start with a clear slime. Look at how beautiful that is. Like, oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like there's slime in there. Anyways, do a little bit of clear slime ASMR. Alright guys, so this first we're gonna do is this, it kind of looks like a clear clay, but it says CLAYS mixer. So I have no idea what it is, honestly. It looks exactly like the clear clay from there, but it looks like it just has glitter in it. That's it. That's the only difference. But maybe it has a different texture. Maybe it has something. What the heck? Okay, it definitely has a different texture, so it's a lot softer. Let me just see if I can get some clear clay really quick. All right, well, I have no clear clay. I was gonna try to show you guys, but I don't have any clear clay. We're gonna pop this really quick, or at least try. Maybe it's not a good idea to pop it. It kind of seems like it'll splat everywhere. This kind of just seems like store-bought slime, like the jiggly, rippy slime. Really thought that there was glitter in here. That's so weird. Like I really saw silver glitter in here. All right, let's take this out. All right, we took it out. It looks like there's actually glitter in there. Watch. Do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like tiny little pieces of something. It might just be like dye or paint because it kind of seems like this isn't completely clear. It's kind of foggy. Anyways guys, here it is. It's literally basically just like store-bought slime. So it's rippy and it's like slimy. It's not clay at all. I don't understand. It says CLAYS mixer, great slime mixer. All right, let's go ahead and get our slime and let's mix it in there. Who cares? It's okay. All right, so I got like equal amount slime. We're gonna go ahead and mix it in and see what happens. A lot of times when I mix like clear slime with like stretchy store-bought slime, it kind of just like starts getting really rippy. So I feel like that might happen with this one, but let's see. Maybe since it's great for slime mixing, maybe it won't. Kind of feels like it's getting rippy already, to be honest. Okay, well, it mixed with the slime pretty well, better than others. But it did definitely get harder. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very rippy, but it's not that bad. It kind of got like thicker too. Overall though guys, I wouldn't mix this with your clear slime. I say just keep them separate and just play with them separately because I feel like that's a better idea. But maybe this will turn better when it clears up. It doesn't smell different. I thought it smelled like watermelon or something, but I didn't. I don't know where I smelled watermelon. Anyways guys, let's get on to the next one. All right guys, next slime we do is another clear slimes mixer, but it's orange instead. Anyways, if you guys can see right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like weird white stuff. I honestly have no idea what that is. It looks like pieces of paper, to be honest. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Just open! Okay, why does it look so much different in the packet? Like, let's see if I can see. Look, that's how it looks in the packet, and then you take it out. What the heck? That's so weird. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get sketched because it's like the cardboard in the back. Anyways, here it is. Can you guys see the little white things? Looks very weird. I don't know what they are. They look like kind of like glitters, but let's try and pop it. Maybe I should stop trying to pop it. Okay, so this is exactly like the other one. It's basically just slime. This honestly wouldn't be bad store-bought slime, but the fact that they put like clear slime mixer just kind of is annoying because it's just clear slime. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and mix it with our clear slime now. Alright, let's put our clear slime mixer now and let's mix. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the final product. It's basically just a clear slime that's a bit more rippy. I mean, can you guys see those little white thingamajiggers? They look really weird. I have no idea what they are, but yeah. Alright, well I guess that's it for this one. Let's get on to the next one, guys. Alright guys, next we're gonna do is a soft clay. This one is not clear at all. It's just a blue clay, but it looks very interesting. Look at all those like little rips in there. That looked like it was some nice clay, so I really wanted to try it out. This one, I'm going to try it on some white slime, but I also have some more. I have a pink version, and I'm gonna try that on some clear slime and see, you know, if there's any difference. So here's a clear, a white slime base. Alright guys, here is the clay. I'm just gonna take a little piece to see the texture first. It's very soft. It's a lot more like, it stays together a lot more than Daiso clay, but it is a lot softer than the Model Magic. So I feel like this clay is very, very nice. All right, let's mix it into here. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Okay, so this is kind of like melting my slime a bit. And I feel like it might be because like, oh my gosh, this is really melting it. Okay, this is melting it like if you put like Play-Doh inside the slime. As I was saying, it feels like maybe they put like a lot of food coloring inside the clay and that's kind of melting it maybe, but I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some activators to activate this because it's getting super sticky, so 1 second. All right guys, so here is the slime. I activated again, and here it is. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. It's actually a lot better than I expected. It is a lot like Daiso clay, like very, very similar. For the next one that I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna add some less slime to it so it can be a little bit more like buttery, but it is very similar. I like it a lot, so if you guys don't have any Daiso clay and you wanna touch butter slime, I actually suggest this one a lot. It's like really nice, I love it. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Now let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some slime flips with this, see how good this is. Alright guys, let's see this.
Oh.
Alright, well that is super stretchy. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more activator in it to make it a bit more firm. Alright. This clay is more fluffy than like Daiso clay. Okay, that's a lot better. It's very, very nice. Alright, let's try and do double. Yes. Then the triple. Then the infinity. Ah! The swirl twist. Oh no. There we go. And ta-da! Look at that inflation. Alright guys, it actually does seem like it's kind of deflating now. Just gonna continue to squish it. I love when you like turn around these inflation slimes to the back where they have like all these bubbles. And it seems like it kind of deflated. All right, look what we did, guys. All right, well, 10/10 for this clay. I love it. It is fantastic. And let's get on to the next clay. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this fluffy mixture clay. And yeah, so this one is purple. So here it is. I don't like it. It's not stretchy. It's worse than the CLAYS mixer. So yeah. Yeah, I definitely don't like it. You can't even stretch it. It's like a dough consistency, but you can't even stretch it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and add this into some white slime. Hopefully it gets better, but I feel like it's probably just gonna harden it. Is it gonna mix, guys? Looks cool. I'm wondering if this slime is gonna turn into like their fluffy buckets of slime. Alright guys, here's how it turned out. I don't like it. I really don't like it. It makes some pretty good cracks and pops. Let me see if I can make one. There it is. It did get pretty, it got a lot softer, but it is still pretty like rippy and I don't really like it. I'd rather just put shaving cream and slime and that's way better than just putting this weird fluffy stuff in here. Let's try to do some slime flip with this. Pretty good. Needs to be a little bit more stretchy. Okay, all right. Also guys, like my judge, what should we do? I have no idea. Maybe let's just keep this one calm today. We should do a nice, try and press the like button with your chin. And yeah, let's keep going. All right guys, next we're gonna do, guys, is this CLAYS mixer. It's another one, but this one is just straight up clear. So yeah. All right guys, here it is. It is just clear. The other one's the same thing. So yeah, it's up, there we go. This one is pretty cool. I like that it's clear, very nice. But it does have like a yellow foggy color to it. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. It does have some weird sprinkle looking things like the little white things. So yeah, that's the only thing here. But basically it's the same thing, but this time we're gonna be adding it with white slime to see if there's any difference. To give it some pizzazz, since it is just a clear slime, we're gonna be adding some purple food coloring. I got this food coloring from Wish, guys, so we're gonna try it out today, see how that goes. Alrighty, put 1 drop of purple, and also some sprinkles that I got from Amazon. Ooh, that looks cool. Looks like a weird egg. It's a unicorn egg. Alright, let's mix it. Feels softer. Alright, it's kind of hard to mix, but I'm kind of getting there. It does feel like it's like rippier than the clear slime. Here's the clear slime one. That's how that one turned out. And here is this one. It seems like more rippy. I don't know, like seems harder too. So yeah, that's how that one turned out. And I also put food coloring, so that one was, it could have like possibly kind of like melted the clear slime a little bit, but no, it didn't. But anyways, I don't like it. I would just keep it as a clear slime. So if you guys ever pass by these clear mixers, just see them as store-bought slimes and that they're pretty good, but not for adding to slime. Does make some really, really nice crackles though, but yeah, that's about it. It kind of does make it glossy too. The only problem with this is that it's like rippy. Should I do like a little makeover on these guys, like a video on trying to fix them, like making them softer or something? Because like I feel like they have some potential, but they're kind of like just rippy. So you guys comment down below and let's get on to the next one. All right guys, next we're gonna do it's another fluffy mixer, but we're gonna be doing it with clear slime. See if there's any difference. All right, this time we're gonna cut it straight like this. I really want to see how that will look. Okay, that wasn't that satisfying, but I want to say right here, it seems like it kind of separated, like it's half just slime and then half clay. Okay, so I guess we'll just mix it up. Guys, make sure to stay to the end of the video because I just realized we gotta do a slime smoothie. All right, so let's go ahead and get some clear slime. I think that's a good amount. All right, let's put that there. And then also, I'm gonna put some yellow food coloring in this because we already have a pink slime. I wanna see how it will look with yellow. I want it to be like a peachy color. This is also from Wish. And I got a new one because if you guys are a active subscriber, you guys know that I did a video on trying out Wish supplies, making slime with only Wish supplies, and I got a bunch of like food colorings. I got 3, and my other one was like yellow orange, and it was basically just orange. But this one is lemon yellow, and I want to try it. So hopefully it is actually yellow this time. That actually looks so satisfying. I wonder if this is gonna work better than the white glue one because it seems like all the store-bought slimes are like mostly like clear slime bases. I don't know if it's easier to like make it less sticky or something, but yeah. All right, well here's what it turned into. It actually turned into such a pretty color. I am actually really loving it. But anyways, I don't really like it. Here it's the difference between the white glue with the fluffy mixer and then this is the clear slime. I think I'm gonna have to say I like the white glue one better. It's softer, and yeah, that's it. All right, well enough of this one. Let's get on to the next one. All right, next we're gonna do is the soft clay one. I really wanted to try this out with clear slime, and I'm also gonna be putting less clear slime so that it's a bit more like buttery. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. And also, usually when you add clay to clear slime, it like makes the best butter slime ever. And this is a lot like Dicer clay, so I'm hoping that same thing will happen. So yeah, it's like so bubbly, this one. I love how like sizzly it is. I think we did around like this much last time, so let's like do like this much. I know it's like nothing, but like I really wanted to try and be like more buttery. All right, what color should we put on this one, guys? All right, we're gonna put some, okay, we're gonna put some purple in here. See how that looks. Just a little dot. We're gonna put our clay, and let's do this. Hopefully it doesn't melt. I love how soft it is. It is so nice. Okay, it is melting a lot, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, put a bunch of activator. See if that helps at all. All All right, guys, here's how it turned out. It didn't turn out too different, but it definitely is thicker. And I feel like a bit more sizzly. Let me get the other one. Here's the white-based one. It feels like fluffier, I feel like. Maybe it's just because I like played with it a lot. And then here is the clear slime one. It feels like more dense. I feel like thicker, but like more dense. Alright, I think we should do some slime whipping with this to see how much it inflates. I really want to try that out. Alright guys, so here's what we're starting with. Just a nice 8 ounce. It's filled to right there. And let's start whipping this. Alright, whip, 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 whip. Now watch me whip, whip. Watching Nene. So we've been whipping for a while. Okay, let's try the jump rope thing. Oh wow, that was very easy. The finale swirl twist. I meant swirl twirl. Okay. All right, let's see how much it inflated. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how much it inflated. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try and deflate it the most we can. Let's see. It got a lot like thicker, and I feel like, do you guys think it's gonna fit? I hope it fits. Yay! I did it, guys! I deflated it! It is a teensy bit bigger, but oh my gosh, that was the coolest thing ever. We need to do more of those, like making slimes bigger by inflating them. Alright guys, well let's go ahead and do our slime smoothie now! Alright, so first we got our pink slime. I inflated it a little bit. Then we have our blue slime. And then our fluffy slime. Alright, we're gonna put that right there. And then we have our red-ish slime that was supposed to be kind of orange but turned red for some reason. And then this slime that is like stuff. And then it looks like that, guys, because I have them in the containers that the clay came in. And it works very well. It's very satisfying too. And let's mix. That is gorgeous. That looks actually really cool because it kind of looks like tie-dye. It reminds me of tie-dye. This reminds me of triphobia. Okay, that blue and that pink clay slime, beautiful. We should have just done like a separate slime smoothie for them. Okay, I want to rip this and I want to see the layers. Oh my gosh, look at how cool that looks. Oh my gosh. This kind of looks like a planet, like an alien planet probably. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. Just needs a little bit of lotion. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below if you guys want a part 2, and that is it. Hope I see you next time. Bye!